Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for June 2014. Leos, we begin this month with Sun, which is forming a perfect angle to Mars, which is going to be giving you a lot of enthusiasm and drive in the first week. Now, Uranus and Pluto have been aggravating each other for quite some time, and they finally, thankfully, take a rest till about October. And this aspect is going to give you a breather, as there has been a need to do something really unconventional. You could have been caught between doing what is expected out of you and an inherent or an intensive need to do, just to branch out and do something really different from what it is that you're doing right now. So there has been this constant tussle that has been going on, and with Uranus taking a breather till about October, you could feel a little more settled in your current workspace. The Mars has been retrograde till March, and now it starts picking up pace, and it's going to be squaring up Pluto, which could cause some amount of a friction in a closer relationship, especially if it has to do with especially if you're required to conform. You could get quite irritated of the expectations that are expected out of you Leos this month, and this has to do with your close relationships. I think you could be getting a tad irritated as to why it is that you have to conform to certain things. We also have a new moon energy that is going to be lighting up a part of your chart that has to do with friends, it has to do with groups of people. So a great opportunity in week 1 itself, Leos, which will see you networking quite a lot. It will see you socializing. You will be making new business contacts. You can expect a lot of business coming out of these contacts, a lot of socializing as well with new friends, with older friends. There will be a lot of partying, socializing, invites that will be there. So you could see yourself feeling quite happy and quite pleased because you love being the center of attention. Heightened awareness of your standing in life with context to this group or group of people that you're going to be associating with. It's also going to be highlighting that you need to be moving away from your selfish goals. What it is that is fulfilling your own individual goal. I think you will be uniting in a group or with the community at large. With maybe you're a part of a group, or it's an NGO, or it's a club, or it's an old association from a college or a school, and there could be a goal that all of you are uniting for, and you are being asked to work for the benefit, for the collective. It doesn't have to do with an individual benefit. So for those of you who could be sitting and worrying and saying, it doesn't concern me and how do I benefit of it individually, it is being asked that of all the generosity the universe has given you in life, and where it is that, or what your life standing in is, this is the time for you to be sort of repaying back and giving your bit and doing your bit. However, be careful about certain friendships this month as well, Leos. There could be certain agenda that some friends could be trying to fulfill through you. So be careful about that. Also, this month is extremely important for you to be evaluating who really your friends are, Leos, because you could be requiring soon a shoulder to lean on, and you should be clear and you should be sure as to the shoulder is there or not. Be careful about superficial friends. Be careful about you. Though you do like being surrounded with admiration, with a lot of validation that comes your way, and you love being the center of attention and people seeking your advice and you giving your advice. But this month, the planets are encouraging you that it's important to separate the wheat from the chaff. You'll know people who stand by you and the friends who walk away, or are just fair weather friends. And it's important for you as the world is evolving, as you are evolving, as life is going on, as time is passing, it's important for you to separate yourself and not invest your time with people or the mundaneness, frivolity of the entire thing. It's time to just move away from frivolous friendships. It is not a great time, Leos, as well, to be buying big ticket items this month. Try to avoid picking up a new cell phone, a computer, or even a car. It's not a great time. It could happen that you may not have complete information about the product could turn faulty. If you must go ahead and buy the product, ensure that you have the warranty slips, the receipts, the refunds, so that you can go back and get it changed after the retrograde is over. Also, for those of you who are planning to drive long distances this month, ensure that your cars, your bikes are in great shape. Ensure that you have your Whether your toolkits or whatever it is that you carry along with you, everything is there in place. It has its monthly checkup and oil etc. changed. Be extremely careful about written and spoken communication, Leos. Try not to get into long arguments or shoot long lengthy mails this month. It could get misconstrued. It is also not a great time to be sending mass SMSs, jokes, or on WhatsApp group. The information or the communication could get misdirected quite easily. Neptune is going retrograde in a part of your chart that has to do with sensuality and joint resources. And Neptune is going retrograde from 9th of June, and it's up to no good as usual. It's a planet of delusion, dreamlike quality, and it just causes a lot of haze. You are unable to see the facts and figures, and you tend to get too swayed. And on a retrograde, Neptune accentuates this more. And since it is highlighting a part of your chart that has to do with intimate relationships, it has to do with sensuality, it has to do with sex, it has to do with money. Neptune is the planets are really asking you as to how committed is it that you are in a one particular intimate relationship. What is the investment that you have in that relationship? And this also speaks about, especially if the relationship is more on the physical side and it is less on an emotional side, it is asking you to reevaluate your motives, Leos. It is not advised that you take the relationship ahead purely if it is, like I said, the physical bit of it is really accentuated. It has a more focus on the sensuousness bit of it than on the relationship of the soul or of the mind. The planets are encouraging you to take stock of this particular relationship and see as to whether you see any future in it or not. If there is no really emotional investment from your side, it's best that you cut loose this relationship, else it could turn into a little bit of an unpleasant episode. Also, don't get misled or carried away by a manipulative and emotional person at this point of time. You could be thinking that and like I said, if there is no really investment into the relationship, it really makes no sense into carrying it on. Since Neptune is accentuating this part of your chart, it's also asking you to be cautious, because you could be deluding yourself into thinking that there is more to this relationship, where in reality or in truth there isn't. It is really, maybe it just exists on the physical plane, and that is what it is there. So be careful about emotional dramas, be careful about, and I think there's a lot of intensity also that is there in this relationship. The sun is going to be coming out on the 23rd, and it's going to be giving you a lot of clarity. So all good around the end of the month, and it's going to be piercing through the Neptunian haze. It's going to make you look carefully at facts and figures. It's going to project things the way that they are. So again, look carefully, think, reassess, rewind, try not to get carried away or too caught up with emotions, or you may think, that, oh, because it's a physical relationship, there is an immense emotional investment as well. Look at it very clinically and do away with things that do not serve you or the other person any good. Overall, a great month for you, Leos. A lot of socializing, a lot of networking, and towards the end, little bit of looking at the friendships for what and who they really are. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you.